There are certain places on Earth that seem not to have been made by human hands, but rather to have emerged from an ancient dream, endlessly recalled until it took shape. One of them is located on the banks of the Thu Bon River in central Vietnam. This place is called Hoi An. A small town, a big world. Hoi An doesn't speak loudly. Instead, it whispers through the wood of old doors, through the worn cobblestones, through the silence that seems woven between the houses. Here, influences don't clash. They melt. Chinese, Japanese, French, they all left their mark. But no one conquered Hoi An. The city absorbed them, harmonized them, and became something else. A Japanese bridge, a Chinese temple, a Vietnamese market, a French baguette, all in the same painting, all part of the same soul. A key element of the Hoi An experience is the pace. No one is in a hurry. Transportation is mostly by foot or bicycle. There are no honking horns, no aggressive advertising. Instead of screens, you see the slow-flowing Thu Bon River and boats gliding silently by. What impresses in Hoi An is not the grandeur, but the harmony, a rare balance between man and space, between the functional and the aesthetic. The old town, with its stone streets and houses painted in ochre yellow, is preserved almost intact, protected not only by the authorities, but also by the locals as a living heritage. In the evening, the city transforms. The lanterns light up and the entire historic area takes on an almost unreal atmosphere. But it's not a tourist spectacle. It's an everyday ritual, a form of cultural continuity. Locals float lamps on the river, uttering wishes or prayers. It's a simple but meaningful gesture, like a silent conversation with time.
Không có cái khe phẩy này trên mũi. Cái đưa cho chị béo cái này là chị ấy này. Mỹ bọc vàng.
This one is Alamanda, also quite aromatic. Yeah. Just